What's up you guys, it's Alan and I'm back with another video. As you can see, there is a sneaker right here. And I also have a bunch of other stuff that I picked up online. So it's a shopping haul. But before we get into the shopping haul itself, I must let you know, I'm not trying to promote rabid consumerism or capitalism or whatever it's called. Whatever I buy products that last me a long time and that are good quality. Like this is a Supreme t-shirt, right? That's at least 2.5 years old. So I make sure I don't go all out and just keep shopping every month and buying stuff at sales and discounts just for the sake of filling up my wardrobe. I buy good quality product, and I would urge you to do that as well. Don't just go out and splurge because there's a sale or there's discount. Buy stuff that will really last you a long time. I picked up from the outlet the Air Jordan 3 Katrina. You know, the Air Jordan 3 is like a good silhouette to wear on the regular. I really wanted to get the Tinker, the one with the black swoosh version. I'm still looking out for it. This still remains DS. So if I'm able to get my hands on them, I'll probably get them and flip these. But the quality on this pair is so damn good. Like far better than it is on the black cement 3. So soft, not all stiff and all of that. Really nice leather. So actually I'm a little confused, torn between keeping this or flipping them. As for the shopping haul, I've got a package from UPS, another package from N, but I got rid of the outer packaging. Let's do the UPS package first. So this is all of it from Palace. Just some essentials. That is. So I just got a bunch of socks to wear with my Jordans for the shadows, for the breads, for the royals or whatever. These I'll probably wear with my React elements or maybe the acronym bolts. So yeah, just a bunch of socks to wear with essentials. And in terms of t-shirts, I just picked up 3. All in black, of course. I got this pocket trifold tee with a patch right there. I also got the return form. I'm surprised actually that the guys at Palace don't give out stickers. Oh, there is a sticker, not bad. I was just gonna say I'm surprised that they don't give out stickers, but their bags are quite nice. And there you go, a sticker. This one is the same trifold logo tee, pocket logo tee in navy, and the last one is, you guessed it, a trifold logo tee in black, but this one's a full sleeve. And this one doesn't have a pocket actually, just the trifold logo on the chest. It's anyway winter, actually it doesn't matter when it is or what time of year it is, it'll always be in black. And then of course from End, I picked up the shirt. It's a Ralph Lauren. How do they even see this? Oh, here it is. Sorry. Right, so from End I picked up this Ralph Lauren polo shirt. It's an Oxford blue, and they've pinned this. It's been so long since I bought a shirt, I don't even know how this thing works. Anyway, I'm going to take out these pins later. Just wanted to show you the reason why I picked it up is because they have this bear embroidered right there on the pocket, and I loved it. And of course, blue is my favorite color. When I was in a corporate job, I would only wear light blue shirts. It's a slim fit, so I picked up a large because the polo shirts run a little large in sizing as well. I'm going to try this on to see how it fits and how it looks on me. And for what is probably the most important part of this video are the next 2 t-shirts. Now these t-shirts I got from End again, I bought it from End obviously, but the brand is Patagonia, and they're like basic black t-shirt brand logo on the back. And the other one is a navy t-shirt, much like the black one, except this is a full sleeve and it's got the logo on the back. And you're probably thinking, what's the big deal with this t-shirt? Well, the big deal is that, right, you gotta look at that. It says it right there, fair trade. It's called the Responsibility, which I love the name. So this t-shirt uses 4.8 plastic bottles. It's got about 0.26 pounds of cotton that's been recycled, therefore saving 63 gallons of water as compared to make a regular t-shirt. I think this is made in Mexico, 50% recycled polyester and 50% recycled cotton. And that is what I love about the guys at Patagonia. The fact that they put so much into these t-shirts. And that's the end of my shopping haul as well. Short and brief. I'm now going to put on the outfits to show you what they look like or how they fit. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and staying tuned. If you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're all about sustainability and saving the environment. I'll see you on the next one, you guys. Peace.